In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google form using Google Drive. This process is straightforward and highly effective for gathering information and responses efficiently. So let's dive right in. To begin, navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing drive.google.com into the address bar. Once you've arrived at your Google Drive homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new. Now, direct your attention to the upper left part of your screen. You'll notice a button labeled New. This button is your starting point for creating a variety of new documents and files within Google Drive. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Google Forms. Forms are a versatile tool, ideal for surveys, quizzes, and any instance where you need to collect information systematically. Clicking on Google Forms will prompt another menu where you'll be given a few options to choose from. You can get started with a blank form, a blank quiz, or choose from a template. For the sake of this example, we're going to start with a blank form. This choice offers you complete creative control and the ability to customize the form to suit your specific needs. Simply click on Blank Form, and you'll be redirected to a new tab featuring the Google Forms editor. Here, you're presented with all the tools you need to build an effective and engaging form. At this stage, the first thing you'll want to do is provide your form with a title. Click on the designated title area and type in your desired name. Consider what will be succinct yet descriptive enough for respondents to understand the form's purpose at a glance. Along with the title, you can add details or descriptive text in the corresponding area. Additional details might include instructions or context that could be helpful for anyone filling out your form. With your title and details in place, congratulations, you've created the skeleton of your Google form. From here, you can experiment with adding questions, themes, and more nuanced settings, but those steps can be explored later. For now, you have successfully created a blank form ready for further customization. And there you have it. You've grasped the basic steps of creating a Google form through Google Drive. Take some time to explore the additional features and possibilities that Google Forms offer, making full use of this fantastic tool. Thank you for joining today's walkthrough. Hopefully, this guide has equipped you with the knowledge to dive into creating your forms, enhancing productivity and collaboration tailored to your needs. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.